Kmart delivery finally came. Yeah.
This is the hamper, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it match the... It does kind of match the bottom, doesn't it?
Yeah. Nice.
Okay, I want to put it in here. Yeah. Do you think that will work?
Maybe.
Oh yeah, the duvet. Good morning. We have been very busy today already. We built the other cabinet. We're both on the bed because I was mopping. We've mopped all the floors and the stairs. And yes? What do you need? What do you need? And now we're just going to go pack up all our stuff and move in. How many hangers do we have?
3 more.
Not all properly set up yet. As you can see, there is a fluff. What you doing? Anyway, so this is the layout. Okay, so this is the layout for now. Just shoes we don't really wear at the bottom. Bottoms, tops, underwear, jumpers. We're gonna get more hangers so we can utilize this section more. And then over here, we have my Snuggie. And then all of our jackets and things. We're gonna go back to Kmart to get more hangers so we can hang up most of the things and have that section mostly free as well. Still waiting on the delivery for our bed sheets. New bed sheets are on! And of course, we have a menace. Already trying to poke holes in it. What do you have to say for yourself?
Guilty.
I'm not sorry. And then we have our full bed. Yay, so excited to sleep. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Still a menace. Oh yeah, we went to Kmart, we bought extra hangers so we can hang up all the t-shirts and we have more space in here. We are officially all moved in! Yeah. Yeah. Everything is unpacked. We still have to go back tomorrow to, of course, clean everything from the previous Airbnb. But this is our home! I'm so excited. It's like, I don't know, it feels so weird because at the Airbnb, of course, you feel like that's somebody else's home and you're taking care of it, even though, you know, of course, you've paid to be there and to, yeah, make use of it. But you still feel like you're in somebody else's space. So it's like, oh, it's so much more freeing. We're just so excited to live our life here. Aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. First night moved in. We're getting ready for bed. Our first night in our new home. And Nemo has already ruined our new bed sheets. Where is it? He's pulled it. This is why we cannot have nice things. You. Okay, bye. He's gonna be a menace. I just know it. Are you ready to go to sleep? Good morning. Day 2 in the house. Yeah, we didn't sleep very well. The bed, although we chose a firm mattress, was actually really firm. We already had issues with the pillow and I just couldn't sleep. So we're gonna see if we need a mattress topper or different pillows or something, but yeah. Kind of sucks. We were so excited and then we had bad sleep, but it is what it is. Part of moving and starting a whole new life here and moving out on your own and discovering these things, I guess. Today we are going to buy a Wi-Fi extender because there's no Wi-Fi in these rooms and I'll be working from home, so I need to make sure that there is sufficient Wi-Fi in both rooms. Then get everything sorted for the Airbnb so we can give it back tomorrow. 8:30 a.m. I have just finished cleaning the whole Airbnb, ready to give back to our hosts. I'll be meeting them at 9 a.m. and it's around 8:30, so still got a bit before, but everything is ready. We're so excited to be giving this back and just enjoying our new life at our new home. Yeah, and I always subscribe to the premise, like, leave things better than you found them. I don't know if we can say that. It is a big space to be cleaning, but I think we did a good job cleaning it all and getting it ready to give back, and just so that they don't have a lot to do. We also are meeting the person to purchase the fridge from and the person helping us install the fridge into our home. And that's pretty much on the agenda today. Hopefully we can just run some errands and get a few things that we need for the house, and then we can just sort of relax and enjoy the new week. Well, I just handed back the keys and we got an update that our entertainment unit, our TV stand, is coming today. So that's pretty much everything. So we're really looking forward to it, but it does mean we have to stay indoors until the delivery comes because they never give us a time slot. It's just by the end of day, so yeah. So we're both feeling a little defeated and just sad because we got the fridge and we got the person that we hired to help us bring the fridge from a couple of streets down to the house, and once we got it onto the front porch, it just wouldn't go up. Like, it was too wide, it was too big, it wouldn't really fit up the stairs, and which is what we were sort of worried about as well. I mean, we know it will fit in this space, but like, trying to get it up the stairs is quite difficult just because of course it turns. So at the moment it is down there. We're gonna have to see if we can try to sell it on Facebook Marketplace, and we just put in an order for a brand new fridge, and the company that we bought it from should help us install it. So fingers crossed it will come tomorrow. So another day without a fridge. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow goes better. We're still waiting for the entertainment unit to arrive. And then I think we're just gonna sulk a little bit. That sounds terrible. But we were just kind of disheartened. Like, the air tasker, he did his best, but it just wasn't fitting, and then making it fit was just going to cause more problems, and we didn't want any damage or anything, so just better we left it out there. Our entertainment unit has turned up. At least something's going right today. So let's just get this fixed so that the TV can come off the floor.
Too big for the thing.
Yeah. Good morning. It is 7:47. I got a call at like 7:30 that our new fridge is coming between 8 and 8:30, which is so nice that it's coming so early. Because we actually have an appointment at 11 that we have to get to down in Surface, so it's nice that it's coming early so that we can both go. The guy said it was a little fridge, so that gives me so much more relief that it will fit up those stairs, and today's gonna be a better day. Oh, the fridge is here, the fridge! Okay, yes, it's tiny, it's the tiniest one we could find, but it fits so easily up the stairs. Thank you. We can now have proper food. And it was so simple, literally they got it out of the van, unpacked it, put it on the trolley, brought it in, literally carried it up the stairs, the two of them. But I don't care. We have a fridge, it works, and to be very honest, like that's big enough for the both of us, I think. They installed it around 9:15. It is now 5:45. Let's see if we can use it. Google said only 2 to 4 hours, so yeah, that's cold. I think that's fine, right? Yay, so happy. Let's unbox it. That should be everything. Just came back from the shops. We actually didn't do as big of a shop as we thought, but that's fine. We'll fill it up as we go along. Let's put everything away. So, most importantly, we have dino nuggies.
Where's Nemo go?
In the freezer.
Back to the ice.
Yogurt, parmesan, Nemo's milk, sesame oil, packs of corn, asparagus, baby corn, and then some bananas. Forgot to mention, but we checked the mail, and I think we have our Aussie driver's licenses. Verity and Jasmine. I can already feel it. Driver's license notice.
Oh yeah, it's color. Looks bright though.
Oh gosh. I look miserable. I don't like mine. Oh well, at least we have it. Now we can stop bringing our passports everywhere because we have valid licenses. Yeah, I think we just got our table. A new dining room table. From Kmart then. Oh, it fits really well. So when you come into the house, you come up these beautiful stairs with the nice afternoon sun peering in. And then we also have ventilation here on this side for the summer. So this is our living room slash kitchen. Sorry, it's a little bit of a mess. And then we have all the afternoon sun coming in. The sliding door leads to the balcony. And we have this whole balcony to ourselves. We haven't furnished it yet. We're still figuring that out. We have only pretty much furnished indoors and we're still getting that sorted, but there's no rush. Honestly, we just grab the dining room chairs and then just sit out here with him. Okay, let me show you to the bedrooms. We keep it nice and cool in here for Nemo and also just for ourselves. So we have a bedroom, we have built-in wardrobes, which I showed you in the previous video. Each bedroom, there's 2 bedrooms in this place and each bedroom has an ensuite. So this is the one, of course, that we use. So since we don't actually use the other bedroom yet, we are going to use it as a spare bedroom slash office slash sort of catch-all. It currently looks like this. We are in the middle of reorganizing the wardrobe and getting the office set up, so this is why it's extremely messy in here. Also, the recycling garbage only goes out once every 2 weeks, so we have a lot. And then of course we have the same bathroom and shower set up in here. Once we've actually got the office slash spare room set up, I'll be doing a separate video on that. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, this is pretty much our home. There's obviously a lot of light in this unit. The sun starts off here in the morning and it comes through these 2 windows, and then it will turn around and we get the afternoon sun that comes straight in to the sliding doors, and we love it, and it's part of the reason why we actually got this place. I just wanted to jump on and say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed part 1 and 2 of the Finding Our Home in Australia series. We're just going to continue with life updates from here on out, so yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!